Hey, welcome to Friday's Market Wrap-Up. Matthew Buckley, the Chief Investment Strategist here at Wealth Creation Investing. And obviously, the market's going higher today, folks, on the jobs numbers. Jobs number came out better than expected, 175,000 jobs created. But last month, actually, we got a revision down from 165K to 149K. So relatively good news on the non-farm payroll. However, folks, the unemployment rate ticked up to 7.6%. And on a side note, average hourly earnings came in less than expected. Here's the interesting thing, folks, is the market is going to view this as, so the unemployment rate ticking up is good news for the market. Right? Not good news for the economy, but it's good news for the market. Why? Because that means Uncle Ben is going to hang out a little bit more with his QE infinity. Okay? He wants to stop or tapers quantitative easing as the jobs market improves, but it just ticked up. But we also created more jobs. So today's a continuation of Bizzarro Market, where good news is good news and bad news is in fact good news. Okay, so still kind of digesting the jobs report, but you can't fight a rally like this, folks. Up almost $1.80 on the Dow. We were up about 16, 17 on the SPUs. I think 18 at one point. So we're seeing a pretty significant rally. I think we continue to go up from here. This week we kind of have taken a break, so to speak, as the market was trying to figure out if, in fact, bad news and good news were going to return to normal. But I think just as we've seen let's take a look at the past 3 months, every one of these kind of pullbacks really hasn't been that deep. And as you can, taking a look all the way back to 6 months, there's our fiscal cliff train wreck. There's a sequester scare. There's a little Cyprus and North Korea sprinkled in. Here is the Fed going to leave this party? And I think we continue to go up from here. It's going to end poorly, right? But this whole thing is going to end poorly, higher than we are right now. Had a great week in the weekly options model portfolio over at Top Gun Options, seeing a gain of about $3,000 today. 2 trades, one on Netflix, an Iron Condor, and an SPX Iron Condor as well. 2 trades with a maximum risk of about $11,000, and as you can see, the gain for the week is about $4,200. So that's around a 40% return in a week on 2 trades, a 40% return on risk, and working in Iron Condor for next Friday on Netflix as well. So having a lot of fun in the weekly option service. If you're interested, you can go to topgunoptions.com, hover over services, and hit weekly options right there, or just type topgunoptions.com/weekly-options and scroll down, and you can take a 2-week test flight and check out our weekly option service, because we're having a lot of fun in there. All right, I got to run, got to trade into the close here, and happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and I'll see you for Monday's market outlook. Again, folks, if you're interested in in the managed account service brought to you by Wealth Creation Investments, shoot me an email, info at wealthcreationinvestments.com, and let us know that you're interested in the managed account service, and we can send you some more information about that. Okay, have a great weekend, and I'll see you Monday.